Ready? Start. One objective of the national education policy is to make India a global knowledge superpower in 21st century, and institutions like NIT Rourkela have to play a major role in achieving these national aims, said the President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind. Full stop. He was addressing the 18th annual convocation of NIT Rourkela in Rourkela, Odisha, March 21, 2021. Full stop para. The President said that as the second largest government-run technology institute in Eastern India, NIT Rourkela has made significant contribution to the field of engineering and technology. Full stop. For over 6 decades, this institution has been enriching the pool of technical professionals in the country. Full stop para. Pointing to the fact that NIT Rourkela has students from all over India and also from other countries. The President said that the community of over 7,000 students studying in this 700-acre campus represents rich diversity. Full stop. It increases cross-pollination of learning and promotes understanding between different cultures. Full stop. It also strengthens people-to-people ties between nations. Full stop para. Raising the issue of less participation of women in technical education, the President said that in the most of the convocations he attended across the country, he noticed that girl students are outshining boy students in liberal arts, humanities, medical sciences, law, and several other areas. Full stop. However, it has been observed that the enrollment of women in technical and scientific disciplines is low. Full stop. According to a recent survey, enrollment of women in engineering and technical institutes across India is only about 20%. Full stop. He emphasized that girls should be encouraged to pursue technical education and excel in the same manner as they do in other areas. Full stop. He said that growth and excellence of women in technical areas would add a new dimension to national development. Full stop. It would promote gender empowerment at the higher levels in the field of science and technology. Full stop. It would also help women break the glass ceiling in one of the most important spheres in the world of 21st century. Full stop para. Speaking about the need of universities' social responsibility in line with corporate social responsibility, the President said that universities and institutions must contribute towards empowering the community in their surroundings. Full stop. He was happy to note that NIT Rourkela has adopted 5 villages as part of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan and upgrading science laboratories as well as providing computer education in those villages. Full stop. He also noted that a poverty alleviation research center at this campus works for the less privileged people of Kalahandi, Balangir and Koraput region of Odisha. Full stop. He appreciated NIT Rourkela for these commendable initiatives. Full stop para. Referring to the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020, the President said that the policy envisions that engineering institutions should move towards more holistic and multidisciplinary education with increased emphasis on art and humanities, full stop. He noted that NIT Rourkela has already adopted this approach to a certain extent, full stop. He expressed confidence that this institution would take the process further and would also work towards implementing other salient feature of the national education policy, full stop. He said that one of the objectives of the national education policy is to make India a global knowledge superpower in 21st century, and institutions like NIT Rourkela have to play a major role in achieving these national aims.